Herbal cosmetics. Raw materials used in herbal cosmetics. First is raw material of herbal origin. Skincare cosmetics. These are the products affect the biological functioning of the skin. They improve the functioning or texture of the skin by encouraging collagen growth, by combating harmful effects of free radicals, thus maintaining keratin structure in good condition and making the skin healthier. Fixed oils used in skincare cosmetics. Fixed oils are non-volatile oil found in fatty animal tissue and seeds of various plants. Is also called as vegetable oil, that is a mixture of esters of fatty acids, usually triglycerides. There are some examples of fixed oil used in skincare cosmetics, that are coconut oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, castor oil, cocoa butter, mango kernels. First is coconut oil. Coconut oil is commonly known as copra oil or is called as copra oil. It is an edible oil obtained from fruits or seeds of coconut palm tree, Cocos nucifera, belonging to the family Araceae. It is extracted by dry pressing of dried copra or by wet pressing of coconut milk, by both the methods. It is a potent skin moisturizer and softener. It contains saturated fats, lauric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid and caprylic acid in some concentrations as given. Next is sunflower oil. It is a fixed oil expressed from sunflower seeds of plant Helianthus anus belonging to family Asteraceae. The sunflower oil is extracted by using chemical solvent like hexane or by crushing seeds or by cold pressing, means crushing the seeds under a low temperature. It has soothing properties and it contains palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid, also contains fats and waxes. Next drug is jojoba oil. It is also used in skincare cosmetics. It is extracted from seeds of shrub. So the next oil is jojoba oil. It is extracted from the seeds of shrub Simonsia chinesis belonging to family Simonsiaceae. Unrefined jojoba oil at room temperature is clear golden liquid with a slightly nutty odor. Refined oil is colorless and odorless. Fatty acids such as stearic acid, palmitic acid, palmitoleic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid and triglycerides are chemical constituents present in jojoba oil. It is used in cosmetics as a moisturizer and solvent for exotic fragrance. It functions like human sebum. It acts as a humectant, create a protective film over skin. Thus it protects and moisturizes skin and hair, replenishes skin and hair loss and restore their natural pH balance. It is used in lotions, moisturizers, hair shampoo and conditioner. Pure oil can be directly applied on skin, hair and cuticles. It also has analgesic, antipyretic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-parasitic properties. Fixed oil used is olive oil. It is a fixed oil extracted from the fruits of Olea europhea family Oleaceae. It contains oleic acid, linoleic acid and palmitic acid. It also consists of myristic acid, heptadecanoic acid and icnosanoic acid in traces. It is a good skin and hair conditioner and antioxidant. It is used to treat skin problems such as contact dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, xerosis, eczema, rosacea, seborrhea, psoriasis, thermal and radiation burns, skin inflammation and aging. It is used in treatment of UVB induced skin tumors. It acts as cleanser, moisturizer, antibacterial agent. Next is castor oil. It is obtained from castor seeds, Ricinus communis of family Euphorbiaceae. It is a viscous, colorless to very pale yellow liquid with a distinct taste and odor. It mainly consists of ricinoleic acid. Others are oleic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, linoleic acid, dihydroxystearic acid. Water-soluble toxin resin is also present in oil. It has soothing effect, used to treat rough skin and acne. Next is coca butter, also known as theobroma oil, yellow colored fat obtained from Theobroma coca family Sterculiaceae. It is extracted from dried, fermented and roasted seeds separated from hulls. The coca nibs are grounded to form chocolate liquor. Then to separate the coca butter, chocolate liquor is pressed. It is rich in saturated fats and monosaturated oleic acid. It has soothing effect on windburn or sunburn. It acts as a vehicle in suppositories and pessaries. It is good emollient and a natural antioxidant. Next, waxes used in skin care cosmetics. So what are waxes? They are complex mixture of alcohols, fatty acids and esters. They are harder, less greasy and more brittle than fats. They are very resistant to moisture, oxidation and microbial degradation. They have protection, film forming, emollient and thickening effects. They enhance the viscosity and consistency of cosmetic products. First wax is beeswax. It is used in skincare cosmetics. It is purified wax obtained from the honeycomb of bee Apis mellifera. Near about 8 pounds of honey made by bees gives 1 pound of wax. It contains esters near about 70%. It is usually white flakes with a faint honey odor, soluble in oil and warm alcohol but insoluble in water or cold alcohol. It is used primarily as a thickener and emollient but has emulsifying properties, mainly used in lotions, creams, balms, ointments, lipstick, mascara, foundation, etc. Carnauba wax. It is also used as a skincare cosmetics in category of wax. It is obtained from leaves of Brazilian palm, Copernicea cerifera. It is the hardest natural wax with a melting point above 80 degrees Celsius, and this properties makes wax very unique. It contains esters but less wax acid. It blends well with oil, fats and other waxes. It is important ingredient for solid sticks to prevent them from melting at high temperature. That is, it is mainly used in solid sticks as it is very hard in nature. Next is Candelilla wax. It is obtained from the stem of Mexican weed, that is Euphorbia cerifera. It consists of only esters and more than 50% of hydrocarbons. It is less hard and softer than Carnauba wax. It is used to give gloss to lipsticks. Next is Jojoba wax. It is called as jojoba oil or jojoba liquid. It was also used as in fixed oil in skincare cosmetics. It is also used as a wax in waxes in skincare cosmetics. Used as excellent moisturizer and emollient. It penetrates into the skin, so it is used as anti-wrinkle agent, also UV protectant, that is SPF about 4. Next is gums used in skincare cosmetics. Gums are used in food and cosmetic products mainly to provide a specific texture. They can be tapped from trees or can be produced from beans or seeds. Natural gums are a great way to thicken natural liquid, soap and cosmetics. Natural gums are carbohydrates, helps to improve stability of products. So natural gums which are used in skincare cosmetics are, first is acacia. It is commonly known as gum arabica or gum acacia. It is obtained from dried gummy exudation of the stem and branches of Acacia arabica, wild family Leguminosae. It is edible gum used to make gummy candies and edible glitter along with many other edible products. In skincare, it is useful as a soothing ingredient and helps alleviate inflammation. Next is tragacanth, gum tragacanth. It is commonly known as gum tragacanth. It is dried gummy exudation obtained by making incision of stem and branches of Astragalus gummifer belonging to family Leguminosae. It is a water-soluble gum that can be used to form a thick gel. It is used in cosmetic as an emollient. Guar gum. It is commonly known as jaguar gum. It is a powder of endosperm seeds of Guar gum is a powder of endosperm of seeds of Cymopsis tetragonolobus belonging to family Leguminosae. It forms thick mucus when mixed with water. It is a great thickener. Next gum is xanthan gum. It is a polysaccharide made by the bacteria Xanthomonas campestris. It is most useful gum in cosmetic and liquid soap. It can be used to stabilize water and oil mixtures and it has high viscosity. It is used to thicken shampoos, natural liquid soap and body wash as it helps with the foaming action. It is a natural umber coloring agent. It forms an umber tone thinner which can be used in cosmetic products. Natural colors and perfumes in skincare cosmetics. Fragrances are used in a wide variety of products to impart a pleasant odor. And natural colors are used for dyeing targets and are obtained from plants. So we will see which are the colors and the perfumes which are obtained from the natural source and are used in skincare cosmetics. First is beetroot. It is obtained from Beta vulgaris belonging to the family Amaranthaceae. The colorant in beet is betanin. It is hydrophilic compound and it gives red or pink shade. Next is annatto, that is bixa. Common name is bixa. It is obtained from seeds of achio tree Bixa orellana belonging to family Bixaceae. It is orange-red color compound. Colored compounds are carotenoids, bixins and norbixins. Bixin is lipophilic while norbixin is hydrophilic. Bixin gives orange shade while norbixin gives yellow color. Next is indigo. Mainly it is a indigo dye. It is obtained from leaves of Indigo tinctoria belonging to family Leguminosae. Dye obtained is indigo dye, which is blue in color. Henna. It is very commonly used as a dyeing agent or coloring agent. It is obtained from plant of Lawsonia inermis belonging to family Lythraceae. Colorant in henna is lawson, which is red-orange in color. It is hydrophobic in nature. Next is hibiscus, that is jaswant. It is obtained from flowers of plant Hibiscus rosa sinensis belonging to family Malvaceae. It contains red hydrophilic pigments, that is cyanidin 3 sulfuracid. Rose. Rose oil mainly used in case of skincare cosmetics. It is obtained from Rosa damascena or Rosa centifolia belonging to the family Rosaceae. Rose oil obtained is used mainly in perfumes. Rose water is also used in many facial and skin treatments. Next is lavender. Lavender oil is usually used. It is obtained from flowers of Lavandula officinalis belonging to family Labiatae. Lavender oil obtained is used in perfumes. Next is protective agents in case of skin care cosmetics. Skin protective agents are to protect skin from UV radiation, which may cause skin cancer, immunosuppression and melanoma when skin is exposed to UV radiation or sunlight for long period of time. To protect skin from sunlight, many sunscreen lotions are used which act by improving body's defense mechanism. So, the first natural drug or herb used in case of protective agent in skincare cosmetic is aloe. Aloe is obtained from leaves of aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller belonging to family Liliaceae. Mucilage obtained from inner part of leaf act as a potent moisturizer, skin softener, antioxidant, etc. It contains amino acids, saponin, glycosides, proteins, minerals, vitamins, folic acid, etc. It stimulates collagen and elastic fibers synthesis, hence exhibit anti-aging properties. It also protects skin from UV radiations. It is used in sunburn. Turmeric. Turmeric is obtained from herb Curcuma longa belonging to the family Zinziberaceae. It contains curcumin, dimethoxycurcumin, bis-dimethoxycurcumin, eugenol, zingiberine, etc. It is also used as a natural colorant. It is used in burns, sun damage to the skin and premature aging. Ginkgo. It is obtained from Ginkgo biloba family Ginkgoaceae. It consists of phenolic acids, proanthocyanins, flavonoids, glycoside, etc. It is used as antioxidant as it is a rich source of antioxidant So it helps to reduce wrinkles, skin aging, signs of skin aging. It acts as a natural sunscreen. It has skin cleansing properties. It is rich in vitamin E, so used in skin problems like scars, stretch marks, acne, pimples, etc. It is used to reduce skin sunburn. Next is ginseng. It is obtained from the roots of Panax ginseng belonging to family Araliaceae. It consists of saponins, carbohydrates, sugars, organic acids, amino acid, vitamins, minerals, enzymes. It activates the skin metabolism, reduces keratinization and wrinkles, and also enhances skin fairness. It moisturizes skin, enhances skin nutrition, increases blood circulation and cell proliferation. It acts as an anti-aging agent. So next is bleaching agents in case of skincare cosmetics. Skin bleaching is the process of skin lightening or to improve the skin tone by using chemical ingredients like hydroquinone. Most commonly used natural bleaching agent is vitamin C. Hydroquinones used for temporarily lightening skin at a concentration of 1.5 to 2%. If used in more concentration, then it may cause redness of skin, and care should be taken from direct sunlight, as with direct exposure to sunlight, hydroquinones gives reverse reaction. Next, catechol and its derivatives. 4-isopropyl catechol has most potent dye-pigmenting agent. Less than 3% concentration should be used to avoid irritation and sensitization reaction. Antioxidants used in case of skincare cosmetics. Antioxidants are used to prevent oxidative process in formulations. Vitamins are commonly added as antioxidants to cosmetics. Vitamin A, retinoic acid and beta carotene are additives in cosmetics as it decreases skin wrinkling. Green tea is antioxidant. It is obtained from tea plant Camellia sinensis belonging to family Theaceae. It consists of tannins, flavonoids, amino acid, vitamins, caffeines and polysaccharides. Mainly catechins, flavonoids and flavonols to repair UV photo damage and phototoxicity. Black tea also acts as antioxidant and has skin protective properties. Next is grapeseed. It is obtained from Vitis vinifera belonging to family Vitaceae. Procyanidin is in grapeseed are potent antioxidant. They inhibit lipid peroxidation, collagen and elastin degradation, act as tyrosinase inhibitor and enhance wound healing process. Fenugreek. It is also used as antioxidant. It is obtained from herb of Trigonella Phoinum grassicum belonging to family Fabaceae. Seeds have antioxidant potential and mucilage has emollient properties. Used to treat skin inflammations, chapped lips and mouth ulcers. So, next part from this chapter is hair care cosmetics. What are hair care cosmetics? Cosmetics for the treatment of hair are applied topically to the scalp and hair. Hair cosmetics includes conditioning agent, growth stimulants and special care ingredients. Conditioning agents are intended to impart softness and gloss and to enhance disentangling facilities. Hair tonic and hair care products. Amla. It is very commonly used. It is obtained from fresh or dried fruits of Imblica officinalis belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. It consists of tannins, minerals and calcium. Commonly used as oil or aqueous extract in hair care formulations like hair oil and shampoo. It stimulates hair growth and prevents premature graying of hairs. Next is Brahmi. It consists of herbs of Centella asiatica belonging to family Umbelliferae. It consists of essential oils, sterols, flavonols, glycosides, triterpenoids, saponins, etc. Oil and extracts are used in formulation, prevents premature graying of hairs. Next is Bringaraj. It is obtained from plant Eclipta alba belonging to family Asteraceae. It is used for getting healthy black and long hairs. Mainly Bringaraj oil is available in market, which is a great hair tonic. Henna, used as natural color dye in hair formulations. Neem, it consists of dried or fresh leaves of plant Azadicta indica belonging to family Meliaceae. It contains flavonoids, steroids, terpenoids, sterols. Oil from seed is used in treatment of ticks, fleas and lice. Oil is used in herbal oil, hair tonics, shampoos and conditioners. Next, hibiscus. It consists of flowers of Hibiscus rosa sinensis belonging to family Malvaceae. It is used as hair tonic, hair loss and scalp disorders. It is used in hair conditioners and hair washes. Shikakai. It is a traditional medicine or traditional herb which is used as hair tonic. It consists of pods of plant Acacia consina belonging to family Mimosaea. It consists of lupiol, spinasterol, lactone, natural sugars, hexaconal, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, ascorbic acid, alkaloids and nicotine. It acts as a natural hair cleanser and astringent and in detangling of hairs. It promotes hair growth, strengthens the hairs and acts as an anti-dandruff agent. Next is volatile oils and the fixed oil used in hair care products. First is coconut oil. It is the best hair conditioning oil. Due to its good saponification value, it is used in shampoo and hair oil. Next is eucalyptus oil. It is obtained from leaves of Eucalyptus globulus belonging to family Myrtaceae. It is a volatile oil and mainly act as anti-dandruff agent. Tulsi oil or basil oil. It is an essential oil obtained by stem distillation of leaves and flowering tops of Ocimum scantum belonging to family Labaceae. It is good hair growth promoter. Next is sandalwood oil. It is an essential oil obtained from heartwood of Santalum album belonging to family Santalliaceae, used as perfume in hair care products. Next is almond oil. It is a fixed oil obtained from cold expression of ripe seeds of plant Prunus dulcis belonging to family Rosaceae. It has nourishing, softening, cleansing and hair straightening properties. It is used in formulations like hair lotions and hair tonic. Next is arachis oil. It is a fixed oil obtained from seeds of Arachis hypogena belonging to family Leguminosae. It is pale yellow with a faint nutty odor, mainly used in hair oil. Sesame oil. It is a fixed oil expressed from ripe seeds of Sesamum indicum belonging to family Pedaliaceae. It is a potent hair tonic and avoids premature graying of hairs. Castor oil. It is obtained from seeds of Ricinus communis belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. It acts as emollient. It is used in hair oils, creams and lotions. Next, the last part of this chapter is oral hygienic products, mainly the herbs which are used in case of dentals. So, dental care products are the oral hygienic products which are meant for keeping the dental structure healthy, strong and protected against any infection. The herbs mainly used in this case are clove, neem, tulsi, aloe.